Hello everyone, True Zero Emissions here. Okay, so I have this DC to DC converter, which I was using for, what was I using this for? Let me think about this. I was using this to step down voltage. I was using it to step down high voltage. And that was for going from like an 84 volt battery down to 24 volts, which this can do. But it had a wide range, so I thought maybe I can take, this is, what voltage was this again? I might have to check. Anyway, this is not putting enough power. That power supply that I'm using, I don't know if it's 12 volts or what the voltage is. I think it's 12 volts. Maybe that's why it didn't work, because this is only 12 volts at 1 amp. And I wanted to turn the voltage up, but that's not what this does. This steps voltage down. I guess I thought I could increase voltage. Anyway, what this is doing is, it is lowering the voltage. That's at 3 volts. Maximum, it's at 3 volts. So, now this negative energy oscillator says the input can be 1 to 15 volts. So that's good. It's within range. It might still work, I can try it, but then it says charges 1 to 48 volts. So I think it's saying at 15 volts, we can go up to 48 volts of charging a battery. And if we want to go higher, I think we need more than that. So if I want to go almost double that, it almost seems like I might have to double that number, right? Same current, not to exceed half an amp, because this is half an amp max, right? And I was connecting that max to this number too, but when it said this, when it says or higher depending on input, then I'm like, well, that has max, but this does not say max, so maybe I can go higher here. That's just my thought. That's my own thought. No one said that to me. That's my own thought experiment. But now I need to find something higher voltage than this. I found something 12 volts, but it's at 1 amp. That's too much current. So I wanted to double the voltage. Now, what doubles voltage? I know there's electronics that double voltage. How can I double voltage? I'm thinking about this right now. Something that I have that can double my voltage and give me half the current. Well, sounds like another video is coming up. Okay, everyone, this is the update for this, and I need to either look for more voltage power supply that's not to exceed half an amp, or a way to double the voltage on that power supply, and then that would naturally half the amperage, right? So I'm going to think about this. Okay, see you in the next video.